everybody, Kitty Girl Nyx here, coming to you. I am doing this look here today. This is a look that I was doing today as I was watching Twilight, so anyone can watch. And pretty much, I just wanted to do a kind of like a sultry kind of look, this, as you can see. And it has some little designs on it. And this is the palette that I used today to go with that. This is part of my WetnWild series as I'm doing. And so if you want to see how I did this look, please stay tuned to watch and see how it works. And enjoy. Of course, brought to you by these lovely ice cream bar. So delicious. Take your little video. See you later.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. Mario playing $20.
Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna start off with right now is actually I've already done my face. I've already put on my foundation and concealer. The foundation I used is this LA Girl Perfecting Lip Liquid here. And of course my trusty Loreal TruMatch concealer in C678. I don't know what it's called. I guess it's for the match with the foundations, powder foundations, which is what I have too. But just to get started, I am going to first on my eye, I'm going to apply L'Oreal's color, not L'Oreal, but Maybelline's Color Tattoo in Audacious Asphalt. And I'm going to take a Real Techniques, what is this, base shadow brush to apply it. I'm going to put it on my eye here. Palette here, Don't Steal My Thunder from WetnWild. And I'm going to take the Sonia Kashuk small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take the first color down here, which is an eyelet color. I don't know if you saw that. And I'm going to apply that onto the middle part of my lid, but not going over my crease. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to take a large, I guess it's a flat eyeshadow brush from Sonia Kashuk as well. And then I'm going to take the middle color here, which is a black crease color. I'm basically going to apply that around the silver. Now I'm going to actually deepen the crease part a little bit. And this is NYX Black that I'm using. And I'm taking a MAC 219 brush. Take a little dollop of that and put that in my crease. Now the final thing I'm going to do is take this new brush that I got today. I got it from Walgreens. It is it's called Soho London Paris, or I don't know what it was, but it was a Soho brush. I got it for $8.99. Very, very fluffy brush. They said it was a crease brush, but it just looks entirely too fluffy for me, so I'm going to use it as a blending brush to blend out the top part of my brow bone. And I'm going to take the white color up here. Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of color in the somewhat top middle part of my eye. I'm going to go back again with my Sonia Kashuk small eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking L'Oreal's HIP Intensity Pigment in Relentless. I don't know if you guys can see that. My lighting's kind of bad. I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to apply that to the center part of my eye. Just dollop it right in there. Not too much, just a little, just to kind of give it that glowy moon type look. Only need a little bit. The lines and things that I have going on here, I'm basically going to take a WetnWild gel eyeliner, and I have just a regular, this is a Lowell Cornell filbert brush, very thin type of little brush, and basically just going to take the gel eyeliner and just draw teeny lines over my eye, basically kind of making a kind of make it look like you know, like my the eyes are kind of sitting in a moon, and you have the, you know, the little waves from the clouds making it look really eerie. So we'll put that on here, and you don't. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pigment here that is in my Bellaterra Mineral makeup. You can see that there. And basically it's a 9-stack stack of eyeshadows like this. And it's called the Diamond Stack. And I'm not sure what color this is here, but if you can see right in there, it's like a kind of a rusty brown, but it has reflexes of turquoise and blue and greens in it, and I really, really like it. So basically I'm putting that in between here where I have the black lines to kind of give it that eerie mossy type look and everything here. So after I've done that part, now I'm just basically going to take MAC's 219 brush again, and I'm going to go underneath my eye, excuse me, with the black color. Ooh, hair in my face. And I'm coughing. This video is turning out to be awesome right now. Basically just take a little bit of the black and basically just go underneath my eye. And just smudging it out. Connecting it together there. Oh, okay. Pretty much I'm gonna apply my lashes right now. And I'm basically taking these black lashes, number 48, right here. I got these out of my basic beauty supply store. They were $1.49. Got them real quick. And of course my Duo eyelash glue, typical standard. And I'm just gonna apply my lashes. And then what I will take now is some mascara by WetnWild Mega Length. Kind of just do my lashes here. And also then I'm going to line my eye, top of my eye, with Physicians Formula Ultra Boost pen. Alright, I think that's pretty much it here. And then, so now I'm going to add some blush here. I have a Santee Mineral Blush and Bronzer in color number 3. Okay, so since I have all this going on the top, I'm not going to put any very heavy duty lipstick on. I'm just going to apply a very nude color. And what I decided to do, excuse me, was do this NYX color in Uranus. It's a real nice brown taupey color. Here. I'm just going to apply that on my lips. And then I'm going to follow that up with NYX's NYX gloss in, what is this? Honey. So just a little NYX gloss here. Apply that on the top. Hope you guys enjoy that. Hope you liked. I'll have all of the products that I use in the description box below. And of course, if you like this video and like the other ones, so hopefully you like it and you subscribe to me. So this is me signing out for you today on this rainy day today here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I will see you guys next time. See you later. Peace.
The truth is hiding in